Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an open work permit extension in Canada. First, confirm your eligibility. You generally need to be in Canada with a valid permit or have applied before your current permit expired to maintain implied status. This allows you to continue working under the same conditions while your new application is processed. Gather all necessary personal and immigration documents to prepare for the application. The application process is primarily online through your Secure account. Log in or create a new account if you do not have one. Carefully fill out the application form, ensuring all sections are completed with precise information. Double-check for any errors before proceeding. Upload all supporting documents, making sure they meet the specified file size and format requirements. You will need several key documents for your extension application. This includes a clear copy of your current work permit and your passport's biographical page. You must also provide proof of financial support, demonstrating you can sustain yourself in Canada. A recent digital photograph, adhering to specific size and background requirements, is also essential for your application. After completing the forms and uploading documents, you will pay the required fees. This typically includes an application processing fee and an open work permit holder fee. Once payment is confirmed, review your entire application one last time for accuracy before submitting it. You will receive a confirmation of submission. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Keep an eye on your account for updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.